Welcome to CT Tuning. In today's video, we're going to ceramic coat my Shelby Gt500. This is going to be the first cold start that I'm going to be doing. I got quiet exhaust on. I don't want to disturb the neighbors, so that actually really is a useful feature. But yeah, right now let me see if I can show some of the swirl marks. Yeah, you see all those spider webs like crazy. So we're gonna do a two-stage paint correction, and we're gonna do a it's a 7-year ceramic coating, and basically it also heals itself in the sun. So this car should always be flawless. Besides getting dirty, sometimes it is black, but as long as there's no spider webs on it, you know, those swirl marks, then that's fine. I love the interior. It's absolutely gorgeous. You got the beautiful Recaro racing seats with the Shelby Cobra on the seat. You got that awesome carbon fiber Alcantara steering wheel with the 4 GT paddle shifters. Dual clutch transmission. See you guys on the road. Okay, we just got here once again to Auto Skins, one of my definitely recommended places to bring your car for ceramic coating. Man, this car is just an all-out beast. I only had it for I guess like 2 days now, and it just, the car's so fast. It's unbelievable. So I'm just hoping that, you know, this is my first time ever owning a black car, so I'm hoping they can get all that junk out. All of those swirls. So this is basically going to be the before, and then eventually in a couple days we'll see the after. A little warm start action. Okay, and this is after touchless, my first touchless wash on the car. Car came out great, but it is super hard to dry because it's black. If you don't dry every single little drop of water, it'll obviously become a watermark, or it will smudge if you don't wipe it off. You cannot dab, which absolutely sucks. But other than that, car came out excellent. Wheels came out great. I wiped them down. All glory to God. All glory to God.